Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to make money online. You can offer your skills and services as a freelancer on various platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Some popular freelance skills include writing, graphic design, web development, programming, and digital marketing. Selling products online. You can sell products online through platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or your own online store. You can either create your products, or you can source products from suppliers and sell them online. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another way to make money online. You can offer your services as a tutor on platforms such as Chegg, TutorMe, or Preply. You can teach a variety of subjects, including math, science, languages, and more. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for each sale. You can join affiliate programs for various companies such as Amazon, ClickBank, or Sharia Saleh. Online surveys and testing. You can earn money by participating in online surveys and testing. Companies such as User Testing, Survey Junkie, and Swagbucks pay users to test products, services, and complete surveys. While the pay is not high, it can be an easy way to earn some extra money in your spare time.